Creamy over-the-top mac and cheese recipe. Ultimate comfort food. Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our multi-recipe and cookery channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of comfort food with a recipe that's bound to make your taste buds sing. That's right, we're about to create an insanely creamy and mouth-watering mac and cheese. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Alright, before we get started, let's talk about the superstar players in our dish. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound of macaroni pasta, cooked to perfection. A generous half-pound of shredded cheddar cheese, delivering that classic cheesy punch. A delightful 1/4 pound of shredded Monterey Jack cheese, adding that extra creaminess. 2 tablespoons of butter, because, well, butter makes everything better. A tablespoon of Creole seasoning, for that incredible burst of flavor. 2 cups of milk, for that velvety, dreamy cheese sauce. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and get cooking. Step 1. Boil the pasta. Step 2. While the pasta is doing its thing, let's preheat our oven to a toasty 325 degrees Fahrenheit, or 165 degrees Celsius. Step 3. Let's talk cheese. Take a 2-pound block of cheddar cheese, and shred about half of it using a grater. This will be the foundation of our irresistible cheese sauce. Step 4. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Step 5. It's roux time. Gradually add a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour to the melted butter while whisking like a champ. Keep at it for about a minute to banish that raw flour taste. Step 6. Slowly pour in 2 cups of milk while whisking continuously. Watch that beautiful base of your cheese sauce form, thickening gradually. Step 7. Once your sauce has thickened, introduce the shredded cheddar cheese and that lovely Monterey Jack cheese. Keep stirring until the cheese melts completely, crafting a smooth and indulgent sauce. Step 8. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of Creole seasoning, or adjust to your taste. Give it a good mix to ensure that enticing flavor gets everywhere. Step 9. It's time to bring everything together. Pour that heavenly cheese sauce over your cooked macaroni pasta and gently mix until every single noodle is coated in creamy goodness. Step 10. Transfer this delectable mixture to a baking dish. Add a little more of that shredded Monterey Jack cheese on top for that wonderful oozy factor. Step 11. Cover your baking dish with aluminum foil and let it slide into your preheated oven. Let it bake for around 25 minutes until it's hot, bubbly, and oh so inviting. Plate of mac and cheese. And just like that, you've created a masterpiece. Look at that creamy, cheesy goodness. It's the ultimate comfort food that'll have your taste buds dancing with joy. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. So there you have it, folks, our incredibly creamy and flavorful mac and cheese recipe. Remember, you can always adjust the ingredients to match your taste preferences. If you loved this recipe, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to let us know how yours turned out in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating.